Switzerland is considered one of the most expensive countries to travel and stay in. Wherever you go and whatever you purchase, you're more than likely to pay a little bit more than elsewhere. Switzerland has a reputation for being overly costly, but what you guys didn't know is that Switzerland also offers some cheap and free things to do. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some free things to do while you're in Switzerland. If you're interested, then keep on watching.
Everybody, I'm Waseem.
And I'm Shafeen.
And we are WeWanderlustCo.
WeWanderlustCo.
So this list is going to be short and sweet, so let's get right into the first free thing that's available, and that is free transportation. In Switzerland, public transportation is not inexpensive, but luckily some Swiss cities offer tourists free use of public transport. You can ask your hotel, hostel, or campsite for a free transport card, which will enable you to use public transportation free of charge while you stay in Switzerland on your budget. In some regions, free bikes can be rented from May through October through an initiative called the Schweizrolled. You will have to deposit around 20 Swiss franc in a form of ID, and that will be returned to you once you return the bike.
The next one is free walking tours. Over the past few years, the idea of free walking tours has become increasingly popular. A local guide will take you around for a few hours with lots of local information, fun data, and lots of rich history of the city. These tours run on tips, so if you feel like that at the end of the tour it was really worth it, then you can definitely tip the local guide whatever you'd like, but after all, it is a free tour.
So the next thing to do is to explore churches. So Switzerland has a variety of cathedrals and churches which are free to visit. Many churches, such as the Cathedral of St. Ursus in Solothurn, and some of them which are hard to pronounce, so we're going to leave it on the screen right now. They permit you to enter, but with a small fee.
The next one is to visit a free museum. With over 1,100 museums spread throughout the country, everyone here will be able to find something to their liking. Visiting the museums make for one of the greatest cheap things to do in Switzerland, and the best part is that roughly a third of museums are free. You also get the Swiss Museum Pass if you already have a Swiss travel card. Some chocolate factories are also considered museums and will be included in this pass.
So the next thing to do is to view the city model in Zurich. So if you're into design and architecture and city development, then you will enjoy this wooden layout of the largest city in Switzerland, which is Zurich. The wooden model displays more than 50,000 new structures as well as developments proposed for the area. It is one of the best free things to do in Switzerland, and the model of the city can be found in the basement of the city planning office. If you guys would like to know more on this, you guys can find it on our blog at WeWanderlustCo.
Last but not least are free festivals. Open concerts, events, and markets are organized all throughout the year. A street food market, a local party, a festival of buskers, the annual carnival, fun fairs, open-air gatherings, or gigs makes for great free things to do in Switzerland. The easiest way to find out what's going on in the region is through their app, which we have linked in our blog. The app has the latest overview of all that is happening in Switzerland.
Well, that's it for the video. We hope you found it helpful. We do have a video on 12 things to do while in Switzerland, so if you have not checked it out, do check it out.
And also, if we forgot to mention any of the other free things, please leave them down in the comments below.
Well, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.